How your phone works. Secrets you didn't know. Have you ever wondered what happens when you pick up your phone and start a conversation? In this video, we explore the technology behind your phone, from how your voice is transmitted to how images appear on the screen. Let's learn how smart devices connect us and make communication smoother. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more interesting discoveries about technology. Basic structure of a phone. When you hold a phone in your hand, have you ever wondered what makes it an indispensable part of our daily lives? Let's explore the basic structure of a phone, from hardware to software, to better understand the brain of this device. Hardware. The screen is the first component you interact with when using your phone. With technologies such as LCD, AMOLED, or Retina, the screen not only allows you to display images but also brings a vivid, sharp experience. Some screens today also support multi-touch, making it easy for you to swipe and open applications with just a light touch. The camera is the window to capture beautiful moments in life. Modern phones are usually equipped with at least one rear camera and one selfie camera. From taking portrait photos to recording 4K video, camera technology has advanced by leaps and bounds with the ability to adjust brightness, optical image stabilization, and night mode. Who doesn't like having a camera with them to capture every moment? Microphones and speakers are two indispensable components for transmitting voice and sound. A dedicated microphone helps to record voice clearly, while speakers provide vivid sound from calls, music, and movies. Nowadays, some phones also integrate noise cancellation technology, helping to improve sound quality during calls. The processor, CPU, is considered the brain of the phone. It performs tasks and processes information, determining the overall performance of the device. In addition, RAM and internal memory, ROM, allow for quick storage and access to data, for those who love to play games or perform multiple tasks at the same time. A powerful configuration with a fast processor and plenty of memory is essential. Software. An operating system is the underlying software that allows you to interact with your phone. Android and iOS are the two most popular operating systems today. Android offers a high level of customization with millions of apps on Google Play, while iOS provides a smooth, stable, and secure experience for Apple users. Both operating systems are constantly updated with new features to improve the user experience. To make the most of your phone, apps play a vital role, from social networks like Facebook and Instagram to learning and work apps. Millions of apps are optimized to run smoothly on your phone. These apps not only help you connect with friends and shop online, but also explore the world around you through virtual trips, making life richer. How a call works. Have you ever wondered what magic happens when you make a phone call? From the moment you pick up the phone to the moment your voice reaches the receiver, a complex chain of processes happens in a split second. Let me walk you through each step of how a phone call works. Audio converter. When you start a call, it all starts with the microphone. The microphone acts as an acoustic sensor, recording your voice. When sound enters the microphone, it creates vibrations in the air, and the microphone converts these vibrations into electrical signals. Every sound you make is recorded and converted into tiny electrical signals, helping to keep your voice clear and precise. Signal converter. Once the sound is recorded, the electrical signal from the microphone needs to be converted into a digital signal. This process occurs through a coder inside the phone. This coder processes the electrical signal into digital data bits of zeros and ones, making it easier to transmit over a telecommunications network. Once converted, the signal becomes an encoded form that can be sent over long distances with better quality and greater reliability. Send and receive signals. Now that the signal has been converted into digital form, it's time to connect to the base station. When you press the call button, your phone connects to a nearby base station, either via radio waves or fiber optics. This base station receives the signal from your phone and then relays it to the recipient's phone. Here's how it works. Once your phone signal reaches the base station, it's routed through several different networks and base stations, depending on where the recipient is. Eventually, the signal reaches the recipient's phone, and another converter in their phone converts the digital signal back into audio. At this point, the recipient can clearly hear your voice. Connectivity technology. Breakthroughs in data transmission. In today's world, connectivity is more than just a means. It has become an essential part of our daily lives. From making calls, sending text messages to accessing the internet, connectivity has changed the way we communicate and interact. Join me as I explore the technologies that are making the rounds in this space, including cellular networks and wireless technologies like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Mobile network. GSM is one of the most popular mobile network technologies in the world. First deployed in the early 1990s, GSM has created a solid standard for voice and data transmission. Using radio waves, GSM allows for easy and efficient voice calls and SMS text messaging. It also supports services such as GPRS, General Packet Radio Services, for low-speed data transmission. CDMA is another mobile technology that is notable for its ability to allow multiple users to share the same frequency channel without causing interference to each other. Unlike GSM, CDMA uses coding to differentiate between different signals. This is a major advantage, especially in providing higher quality voice service in crowded or weak signal areas. LTE, also known as 4G, is a major breakthrough in wireless technology, providing faster data speeds and better performance. LTE allows users to experience smooth mobile internet, with the ability to download HD videos and play online games without interruption. The technology uses the entire spectrum to optimize speed, providing an experience similar to Wi-Fi. And now, we can't help but mention 5G, the next generation of mobile networks. 5G is designed to deliver speeds many times faster than LTE, low latency, and the ability to connect millions of devices simultaneously. This technology opens the door to many new applications, from self-driving cars to the Internet of Things, IoT, helping to drive the development of smart cities. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Wi-Fi has become an integral part of the modern connected environment. It allows your devices to connect to the internet wirelessly, usually through a Wi-Fi router. With different standards such as Wi-Fi 5, 802.11 AC, and Wi-Fi 6, 802.11 AX. Wi-Fi is constantly being upgraded to provide higher speeds and the ability to connect more devices at once. This is especially important in today's remote work and online learning environment. Bluetooth is a wireless technology that allows data to be transferred between devices over short distances without the use of wires. It is commonly used to connect headphones, speakers, and other smart devices. Thanks to Bluetooth, sharing files between phones and computers has become more convenient than ever. With the development of Bluetooth 5.0, the connection speed and range have been significantly improved, facilitating more efficient data transmission, security and privacy, protecting your personal information. In today's digital age, when personal information becomes a valuable asset, protecting personal information becomes a more important task than ever. It is not only a personal issue, but also affects organizations and businesses. In this article, I will learn about data encryption, as well as potential risks and effective solutions to protect personal information. Data encryption. How to protect personal information. Data encryption is the process of converting information into a code that only authorized people can access. This helps protect personal information from unauthorized access, especially in an online environment. Encryption can be applied to many types of data, from emails, files, to financial information. When you encrypt data, an algorithm converts the information into a string of characters that cannot be read unless you have the decryption key. For example, when you send an encrypted email, only the recipient who has the decryption key can read the content. This ensures that even if the data is stolen, the attacker cannot use the information. There are many encryption methods available today, such as AES, Advanced Encryption Standard, and RSA, Rivest Shamir Adelman. They are widely used in applications ranging from online banking to secure communications. Using encryption not only protects personal information but also increases customer trust in a business. Risks and solutions. Potential threats and how to avoid them. As technology advances, threats to personal information become more sophisticated. One common threat is phishing, where attackers create fake websites to steal information such as login names and passwords. Next is malware, a type of malicious software that can infiltrate your system and steal data without your knowledge. Finally, ransomware is a serious threat, where attackers encrypt your data and demand a ransom to decrypt it. These threats show the importance of protecting personal information and staying safe online. Ways to protect. There are a few effective ways to protect your personal information from threats like phishing, malware, and ransomware. First, use strong passwords that combine letters, numbers, and special characters to reduce the risk of being hacked. You should also change your passwords regularly and avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. Next, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This is an extra layer of security that requires you to provide two forms of authentication before accessing your account, providing extra protection even if your password is stolen. It is also important to keep your software up to date. You should make sure that your operating system and all the software you use are updated with the latest security patches, as developers regularly release these updates to fix vulnerabilities. Using antivirus software is also an effective way to protect your personal information. A quality antivirus software will help detect and block malware, protecting your computer from attacks. Finally, be cautious when clicking on links. Avoid clicking on suspicious links in emails or messages from strangers. And always check the URL to make sure you are visiting the official website. These measures will help you increase your security and keep your personal information safe in today's risky online environment. The future of mobile phones, new technologies and predicted developments. New technology, trends shaping the future. One of the most important technologies influencing the future of mobile phones is 5G. With data transmission speeds many times faster than 4G, 5G not only improves mobile internet speeds but also opens up opportunities for new services such as high-quality live streaming, smooth online gaming, and connecting millions of IoT devices at the same time. Artificial intelligence is becoming an integral part of mobile phones. From facial recognition to performance optimization, AI is improving the user experience. Virtual assistants like Google Assistant and Siri are getting smarter, understanding and responding to user needs more naturally. Mobile phones will increasingly become the control center for smart devices in your home. From managing lighting systems, temperature, to security devices, smartphones will play a role in coordinating all activities in the smart home, bringing more convenience and safety to daily life. Predictions for the future. Smartphones in other fields. Mobile phones will become more involved in the healthcare sector. With the development of health applications, health monitoring, data analysis and even online consultation will become common. Users can easily check their health indicators and get medical help when needed. In the education sector, mobile phones will play a major role in online learning. With video calls, screen chats, and learning apps, students can easily access high-quality learning resources, no matter where they are. With the rise of streaming platforms like Netflix, Spotify, and TikTok, mobile phones will continue to be the primary device for consumers to access entertainment content. These experiences will only get richer as 5G technology enables seamless streaming of high-quality video and audio. And, in this video, we explored how a telephone works, from converting speech into electrical signals, to transmitting the signals over a telecommunications network and reaching the recipient. We also saw the combination of hardware and software that goes into a phone, allowing for efficient and fast communication. Telephones are more than just communication devices. They have become an essential part of our daily lives, connecting people and opening up a world of information. Hopefully this video has given you some insight into how your phone works. The advancement of technology has made phones powerful tools, not just for making calls but for performing other complex tasks. If you have any questions or want to learn more about any aspect of mobile technology, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future interesting videos. See you soon. You can adjust this to fit the style and message of your video. If you need more information or want to change anything, let me know.